Bakit De La Rosa number 17? De La Rosa tumira ng 2 points area. Wala. Rebound number 17. Agawa ng Boko. Number 17. Oo. Number 20, Aklan. Aklan. Babia for the 2 point, Mr. Babia. Number 1, no what? Number 21, Mr. Babia. Nakuha number 1. So number 14, wala. Okay, Mr. Aklan. Aklan. Number 1, number 6, correct. Or number 9, connect 2 points. Number 17. Number 1, connect. 2 seconds to shoot. Lapis, wala. To De La Rosa. Lapis again. Tumira ng 3. Wala pa rin. Di pa mainit. Number 9, number 1, to Babia. Nag-iisa. Connect 2 points. Mr. Babia. Ramos, number 8. Ramos. And number 1, Mavita. Nakuha. Agawa ng Boho. Nakuha kay number 15. To number 21. To number 9. Number 1. Correct 2 points.
Time out.
Okay. Time out. Time out. Back to the ball game. Ramos to number 15. De La Rosa connect 2 points. Aklan number 20. Number 20, Aklan to number 5. Wala. Rebound number 13.
Bago pa.
To number 1, Mabutan. Nakuha ni number 13. Kuha kay number 9. Libre pa ni 2 points. Ramos. Ramos. Nakuha kay number 13. To number 1, number 9. To Babia. There's a whistle. It's a foul committed by Mr. Rapi. Yes, complete 2 points. Mr. Babia. Number 1, Mabita for Ramos. Kumukol ng 3 points sa kanyaw. Rebound by Mr. Aklan, number 20. It's a long pass to Mr. Babia to number 1. Number 1 to number 17. Connect 2 points. Number 17. Number 1, Mabita to Ramos. Ramos. Nakuha kay number 21. There's a whistle. Number 14, to number 1, Mabita. For Lapis, number 37, Tumira, 3 points area, wala. Nakuha kay number 13. Number 13, bitawan na bola. It's us. Number 14, to number 1, Mabita. Nakuha ang bola kay number 17. To number 9, to number 9. To number 17. Number 17 again. Wala. Nakuha ka number 21, Mr. Babia. Nakuha ka number 17, De La Rosa. To Lapis. Lapis. Wala. Ramos. Pumila ng please. Bang, bang, bang. Okay, 2 points, Mr. Ramos. Nakuha kay Mabita. Mabita number 1. To Ramos again. 2 points area. Wala. Okay, Aklan number 20. Aklan. To number 1. Correct 2 points, Mr. number 1. Number 14 to Mr. Ramos, number 8 to number 17 De La Rosa. De La Rosa, yes, and 2 points Mr. De La Rosa. Oh, nakuha ang bilang kay number 14. Number 14 to number 1 Mabita. To number 8 Pereira Keys, wala. Rebound na Mr. Lapez, wala rin. Nakuha kay number 13 to number 21, Mr. Fabian is connected. To number 8, Mr. Ramos. Mr. Ramos to number 17, De La Rosa connect 2 points, Mr. De La Rosa. Waklan. Nakuha kay Mr. number 14. Tumabitang number 1. Oh, there's a whistle. Remaining time 2 minutes and 4 seconds. Next substitution. Out. Number 14 in. Number 3, Carcosa. Second throw. Nakuha kay number 13. Number 9. Oh! Bola. Black by na. Up. Number 13. Bola. Rebound by number 3. To De La Rosa. Number 17. De La Rosa to Mabita. Number 1. Aklan number 20 to number 13. Number 13. Oh, number 20 Aklan. Number 13. Wala. Rebound by Mr. Lapez, number 37. Lapez. Wala. Nakuha kay Mr. Aklan, number 20. Aklan to number 13. There's a whistle. It's a foul committed by number 1, Mabita. First throw, number 13. Yes. Oh, second throw. Good forward. Mr. Ramos, number 8. Number 8 to number 1. Tumira ng 3 points area. Layo. Ay, hindi umabot. Number 20. Remaining time, 1 minute and 50 seconds. Number 9, Mamwak. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Akin na was written De La Rosa. De La Rosa. Hop. There's a call. It's a violation.
Simpot.
Violation. Number 1, number 9, number 1 to number 21, Mr. Babia, to number 20, Saklan. Oh, number 17 sa ilalim. To akin, number 13, leverage sa press. Wala. Rebound by Mr. number 3. Number 3 to number 1, Mabitag. Wow. It's a wow. Connect 2 points. Number 1 and number 9, number 1. Number 1. Okay, number 13. Akin De La Rosa. De La Rosa. To number 8. Wala. To number 17. Nag-iisa sa ilalim. Connect 2 points. Last 14 seconds. Okay. There it is. Back to the ball game. Aklan. To Namwag. To Mr. Aklan. Aklan. Wala. Nakuha kay Namwag. 30 seconds. number 1, Mabita. Mabita. 15 seconds to set. Mabita to Mr. Ramos. Wala. Ang dami number 9. To Sabiao. Wala. Rebawa na sa Lapis. Last 9 seconds. 5. Wala. To number 15. To number 9. Wala.